What's up everybody? In this video I'll be showing you the Allan ESV PR in red goatskin. Stay tuned. Hey and welcome back. Now this edition is from a production run from last year where they did the speckled page edges. Now I'm fortunate enough to have a friend who lent me hers so I could do a review. But this thing is absolutely beautiful. This edition is bound by Charfleet in their Highland Goatskin, and it looks great. Now, one unique thing is that they didn't do any of the typical Allan tooled ribs on the spine. It's just a flat spine with gold stamping. But I actually kind of like it. I'm not a huge fan of the tooled spine hubs anyway. This is a semi-yap, which is kind of nice because you can really see those speckled page edges really well. Now, I like this because there's no worry about the gold gilding. Now, along with the speckled page edges, this also has 3 Beresford ribbons. They're long and blue, and it looks really great. I like having 3 ribbons, even in this small of a Bible. It's really a great feature, especially since this is a reference edition, and you're gonna be going back and forth in different parts of the edition because you're using the references. So as we open this edition up, you can see based on my hand size that this is a smaller Bible. It's about 5 by 7.5, about 1.5 inches thick. It's just a smaller profile Bible. It's like a PSQ, personal size quintil size, a little bit thinner than a Clarion, but similar size. Here on the liner, we can see the gilt line on the interior and the Highland Goatskin imprinted on the inside of the liner. It's a beautiful red that matches the exterior cover. This is a calfskin. We also have the textured cardstock end sheets that they typically use. Now this Bible has a single column layout in a paragraph format. References are going to be in the gutter. That's where it's a little bit different. And you can see when you put your ribbon in this spot between, you can still pretty much read all your references on either side of your ribbon. This particular Bible has a 32 GSM paper, and the readability is really good. I'm really surprised because I've had a personal reference from Crossway that it had a lot more ghosting, and this looks a little bit better than that. Now you're gonna still deal with some ghosting, but this edition is line matched, and that helps with the readability. Now there is a concordance at the end of Revelation, and it is a good size concordance, a triple column, words in all capitals and bold, so you can really read them well, even though they're only in a smaller font. And then you have 32 pages of lined paper after the concordance, and those are all with speckled edges and looks great. And you have the white cardstock prior to getting to your end sheet, so no maps in this personal reference edition. Here you can see the Allan binding by Charfleet Bookbindery stamped on the inside of the back liner, but they did a really great job. I mean, a really great job. I'm really impressed. I've seen several Charfleet Bibles that were not very impressive, but this one looks great. It really, really does. The Highland Goatskin is one of my favorites. The work that they did on this edition was really great, and you know, it's a great Bible, really great Bible. Again, I feel the speckled page edges is definitely a niche thing. It's not gonna be everyone's favorite thing, but it does serve a function though. It gives you a more durable page edge that you can use without worrying about scratching. But now water will cause water spots on this edge, just like it would any art gilt. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you disliked it, leave a comment. Tell me what I did wrong or what I could do better, and leave 2 dislikes. And if you're looking for ways to support the channel, just subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.